Hello guys, I hope unikahle. So Mimi recently turned 21 and Ushandesh surprising a 21st birthday party, or should I say idina nyana nje. So angazi ukuthi uMimi bekanayo idea or kanjani kodwa kubonakala ngathi bekangazi ukuthi bazomsurprise cause i-reaction yakhe nje mase cause blindfoldile yabo mase bakhipha nje le blindfold. It was cute. Nje it was so cute nje to watch. So yeah man, angazi ukuthi lento uShandesh maybe uyiplane nabangani bakhe ukuthi okay la asurpriseni uMimi esumenzele nje into egrand, into eright, singamtsheli lutho, uzobona nje mase simsurprise nje, yabo into enjalo nje. So nje bonke abangani bakhe uMimi, abangani bakaShandesh nama-colleagues abo nje vele bebakhona uku-celebrate le party naye uMimi. UShandesh naye vele bekajabulile for ukuyenzela umuntu wakhe into enhle, yabo. Naye uMimi vele bekajabulile nje ukuthi okay, because vele bekanga-expect-anga, so beka-surprise nje ukubona wonke umuntu akhona nje, uyabona na the way ahleka ngakhona ukuthi okay ujabulile ngempela. So yeah man, happy belated to birthday to yena uMimi. Makakhule abe intombazana egrand, abe umfazi ograndi, simushela okuhle. Naye uShandesh nje babambisane, bathandane, bacontinue nethando labo, baye phambili, kukhulwe nje, kwenziwe imali, kuzalwe iy'ngane, if baya-adoptha ku-adopthwe iy'ngane, kube right nje. So that's all I wanted to share with y'all guys, ukuthi yeah, labantu they recently celebrated Mimi's 21st birthday and bekumunandi, kubonakala ngathi bekumnandi, bekugrandi, yabona nje nevenue yakhona, i-theme, like nje yonke into like it was well planned, everything was well planned. Uyabona nje ukuthi bekumuhle kangakanani, khombisa nje ukuthi into nje uShandesh ehlale phansi wayiplana, like before, like uyiplane kusenesikhathi nje ukuthi okay kumele senze lento nje, because uyabona the way beku-organized ngakhona ukuthi yilento eplanwe kahle, into nje eplanwe kahle le. So yeah man, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe ni-like cause ngisazodropa amanye amavidiyo nje aye Likompo nje, everything that has to do with Likompo idropwa la. So lisalibala ukusubscribe, ali-subscribing mole kalerata, kitla libona on the next one. You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.